Good afternoon, everyone. So today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is mucosal drug delivery system. Subject is NDDS. So let's start with the chapter, with the topic. So the term mucoadhesive drug delivery system interact with the mucus layer, जैसा कि नाम सजेस्ट कर रहा है mucoadhesive. तो mucoadhesive drug delivery system जो होता है वो किसके साथ interact होता है, मतलब किससे correlated है? Mucus layer से. It is covering the mucosal epithelial surface and mucin molecules and increase the residence time of the dosage form at the site of absorption. Mucoadhesive drug delivery system is a part of controlled drug delivery system. It is a part of CDDS. नेक्स्ट जब हम इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करते हैं तो इन अर्ली 1980s द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ म्यूकोएडेशन हैज गेन्ड कंसिडरेबल इंटरेस्ट इन द फार्मास्यूटिकल टेक्नोलॉजी. It combines mucoadhesive with enzyme inhibitory and penetration enhancer properties and improve the patient compliance. Mucoadhesive drug delivery system has been developed for the buccal, nasal, rectal and vaginal route for both systemic and local effects. And hydrophilic high molecular weight such as peptides हो गए, ठीक है, these cannot be administered and poorly absorption then उसके लिए alternate जो होता है that is mucosal drug delivery system is the best choice for ऐसे ड्रग्स जिनका हाइड्रोफिलिक मॉलिक्यूलर वेट जो रहता है, मॉलिक्यूलर वेट जो रहता है वो ज्यादा रहता है या पुअर एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है, ठीक है, तो उस केस में हम एमडीडीएस पे जा सकते हैं. So muco plus adhesive, muco मतलब inner layer that is called mucosa, inner epithelial cell lining covered with viscoelastic fluid secreted by goblet cells composed of water and mucin. And other components include proteins हो गए, lipids हो गए and mucopolysaccharides, electrolytes. Main role is protective and lubricant. Adhesive का मतलब क्या होता है? Tendency substance to remain adhered to the surface, and if the substance adhered to the biological mucosal layer, it is called mucoadhesive. Okay. So sorry for the gap. So we were studying about the mucoadhesive system. So continue करते हैं. I told you that is muco and adhesive. What is the meaning of muco and adhesive? अब हम वापस आते हैं. What is mucus? तो mucoadhesive जो चीज है, जो टर्म है, it is जो inner layers है that are called mucosa, inner epithelial cell lining that is covered with a viscoelastic fluids. It composed of water and mucin. And the thickness varies from 40 micrometer to 300 micrometer. जनरल कंपोजिशन अगर हम बात करें म्यूकस का तो उसमें वाटर होता है 95%. देयर आर ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन साइड लिपिड्स 0.5 to 5%. मिनरल सॉल्ट्स होते हैं 1% एंड फ्री प्रोटीन्स आर 0.5 to 1%. जनरल स्ट्रक्चर देखें अगर हम म्यूकस लेयर का तो डेट इज स्ट्रेटिसफाइड स्ट्रेटम एपिथेलियम आप देख सकते हो. लेमिना प्रोप्रिया सब म्यूकस लेयर है. वेन्स आर्टरीज आर देयर, ठीक है. केराटिनाइज्ड लेयर्स होती है, ग्लैंड्स, नर्व्स, ठीक है. पेरिस्टोनियम, बोन, ये एक जनरल स्ट्रक्चर है म्यूकस लेयर का. व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ म्यूकस? प्रोटेक्टिव, ठीक है. म्यूकस एक्ट एज अ प्रोटेक्टिव, that is particularly from its hydrophobicity. It acts as a barrier in the tissue absorption of the drug and influence the bioavailability. Adhesion, mucus has strong cohesion properties and lubrication keep mucosal membrane moist. There are need of mucoadhesive drug delivery system, avoidance of first pass metabolism, better absorption of peptide by penetration enhancer. Why? Prolonged residence time, localized of drug at the given site. Okay. Mechanisms की बात करेंगे mucoadhesion की, तो the mechanism responsible in the formation of mucoadhesive bond. There are 3 steps. Step 1, wetting and swelling of the polymer, that is the contact stage. Step 2, interpenetration between the polymer chains and the mucosal membrane. And step 3 is the formation of bonds between the entangled chain, that both known as consolidation stage. Consolidation stage कहा जाता है इसको. Step 1 की बात करते हैं. Wetting and swelling step occurs when polymer is spread over the surface of mucosal membrane to develop intimate contact. Swelling of polymer occurs because the components of polymer have affinity of the water. आप देख सकते हो डायग्राम में swelling. Then comes step 2. In this step, the mucoadhesive polymer chain and the mucosal polymer chains intermingle and entangles to form the adhesive bonds. And the strength of bond depend upon the degree of penetration of the two polymer groups. So this is a diagram for interpenetration of mucoadhesive and mucous polymer chains. Step 3, this step involves the formation of weak chemical bonds between the integral polymer chains. And the bond includes the primary bonds such as covalent bonds हो गए, secondary interaction हो गए such as van der Waals and hydrogen bonds की अगर हम बात करें. Theories of mucoadhesion, there are 5 types of theories of mucoadhesion. सबसे पहले आते हैं electronic theory, then comes wetting theory, then comes adsorption theory, diffusion theory and fracture theory. Electronic theory, it's the attractive electrostatic force between glycoprotein mucin network and the bioadhesive material. Wetting theory की बात करें so that is the ability of bioadhesive polymers to spread and develop intimate contact with the mucous membrane. And then comes the adsorption theory. At the name suggests adsorb होना, that is means surface पे आके रुक जाना. There are surface forces, covalent bond, ionic bond, hydrogen bond and van der Waals forces resulting in the chemical bonding. Diffusion theory, physical entanglement of mucin strands and flexible polymer chains. And fracture theory, that is analysis the maximum tensile stress developed during the detachment of the that is BDDS from the mucosal surface. Different route of targeting अगर हम बात करें mucosal drug delivery system की, तो there are number of routes. पहला rectal, vaginal, ocular, nasal, buccal and sublingual. Penetration enhancer we have to use, that are substances that facilitate the permeation through a mucosa are referred as permeation enhancers. Safe and non-toxic, non-irritating and non-allergenic होने चाहिए. Pharmacologically और chemically inert होने चाहिए. They should not have any pharmacological activity within the body. Examples की बात करें तो benzyl alkonium chloride हो गया, dextran sulfate हो गया, fatty acids हो गया और sodium EDTA. These are some of the example of penetration enhancers which are used frequently in the mucosal drug delivery system. So mucoadhesive polymers की बात करें, they are water soluble and water insoluble polymers which are soluble networks joined by cross linking agents. There are some characteristics of ideal mucoadhesive polymer. Degradation product should not be non-toxic and non-absorbable from GIT. Good spreadability, wetting, swelling and biodegradable properties. Optimum molecular weight, non-irritant to mucous membrane, form a strong non-covalent bond with a mucin epithelial surface. Okay. Are some these are the classification of polymer classification. Natural की बात करें और semi synthetic and then comes synthetic. तो agarose जो हो गया, chitosan, gelatin, pectin, CMC, HPMC, these are all natural and semi synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers की बात करें तो carbapol, polyvinyl alcohol हो गया, PV polyvinyl pyrrolidone हो गया, thiolated polymers, methyacrylic acid and polycarbophyll. These are all synthetic polymers. Okay, एक सेकंड. Okay, these are all synthetic polymers. इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू वाटर सॉल्युबिलिटी. तो वाटर सॉल्युबल जो है वो है CMC, सोडियम CMC, HPMC, MC मिथाइल सेलुलोज जो होता है PVA, PVP. और इनसॉल्युबल में कार्बोपोल, पॉलीएक्राइलिक एसिड और PG पॉलीइथाइलिन ग्लाइकोल. अकॉर्डिंग टू द चार्ज, there are some charged and some uncharged polymers which we can use accordingly. Factors affecting mucoadhesion, there are some polymer related factors जिसमें आ जाते हैं molecular weight, concentration of polymer, flexibility of polymer chains, presence of functional group, spatial conformation and cross linking density. Environmental related factors में आ जाते हैं pH and applied strength, and physiological factors में आते हैं mucin turnover और disease state. एडवांटेजेस, जब हम एडवांटेजेस की बात करेंगे, एडवांटेज ओवर अदर कंट्रोल ओरल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम की जब हम बात करेंगे तो टारगेटिंग एंड लोकलाइज एक्शन हो सकता है, पेनलेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन है, लो एंजाइमेटिक एक्टिविटी एंड इट विल अवॉइड द फर्स्ट पास मेटाबॉलिज्म. ठीक है. इफ एमडीडीएस adhere too tightly because it is undesirable to exert too much of force to remove the formulation after use, otherwise the mucosa could be injured. And these are the disadvantages जो मैं अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ कि कई बार इतना ज्यादा टाइटली अधेयर हो जाता है कि वो इंजोर कर सकता है. सम पेशेंट सफर्स अनप्लेजेंट फीलिंग्स, पेशेंट कंप्लायंस कई बार नहीं आ पाता प्रॉपर. Unfortunately, the lack of standardization techniques often leads to unclear results, कॉस्टली ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम है, कई बार ड्रग का जो रिलीज होता है वो प्रॉपर नहीं होता, इन द कंट्रोल मैनर नहीं हो पाता. These are some of the disadvantages of this delivery system. Okay, then comes mucoadhesive dosage form की अगर हम बात करें तो सेमी सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म जिसमें हम जेल्स और ऑइंटमेंट ले सकते हैं, फिल्म्स हैं, पैचेस हैं. सॉलिड डोसेज फॉर्म में टैबलेट, मैट्रिक्स टैबलेट, बायोएडेसिव माइक्रो पार्टिकल्स हो गए, बायोएडेसिव इंसर्ट्स हो गए. ओके, लिक्विड्स में सस्पेंशन एंड जेल फॉर्मिंग लिक्विड्स, एंड देयर आर अदर म्यूकोएडेसिव डोसेज फॉर्म्स. मैट्रिक्स टैबलेट की बात करें, डेट इज दो टाइप की होती है, मोनोलिथिक एंड टू लेयर टैबलेट. मैट्रिक्स टैबलेट जिसे हम कहते हैं, मोनोलिथिक में जैसा आप देख सकते हो देयर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ ड्रग प्लस स्वेलिंग बायोएडेसिव पॉलीमर. इट इज बाय डायरेक्शनल रिलीज होता है इसका, एंड आउटर साइड कोटेड विद द इम्परमेबल हाइड्रोफोबिक सब्सटेंस. जब हम टू लेयर्ड मैट्रिक्स टैबलेट की बात करेंगे, इट कंप्राइजेस एन इनर लेयर बेस्ड ऑन द बायोएडेसिव पॉलीमर एंड एन आउटर नॉन बायोएडेसिव लेयर containing the drug for a bi-directional release but only local action. In case of systemic action, outer layers is inert होती है and it also act as a protective layer. Patches की बात करें, it has a greater patient compliance compared with the tablet owing to their physical flexibility that causes only minor discomfort to the patient. Films की बात करें, they may be preferred over adhesive tablet in the terms of flexibility and comfort. An ideal film should be flexible होनी चाहिए, elastic, soft होनी चाहिए without breaking due to stress from mouth movements. Gels and ointments, advantages over other dosage forms is that they are easily dispersed throughout the mucosa. Accuracy of drug is not accurate in the terms when we are using gels and ointments. There are some polymers which can be used. They change from liquid to semi-solid, and HPMC has been used as a adhesive ointment ingredient. Method of evaluation, these are some of the methods for evaluation, और जिसमें हम in vitro in vivo methods अलग देखेंगे और in vivo methods अलग देखेंगे. There are number of methods you can see. जितना easy होता है एक formulate करना, एक mucoadhesive drug delivery system को बनाना, उतना ही tough होता है उसका evaluation. Okay, as you can see, there are number of evaluation parameters which has to be there, which we have to perform. Okay, so there are some of the tensile strength हो गया, shear stress, adhesion weight method, fluorescent probe method, flow channel हो गया, mechanical spectroscopy हो गई, ठीक है, filling liquid film method, colloidal gold staining method, viscometer method, thumb method, adhesion, electrical conductance, swelling properties, in vitro mucosal retainability studies हो गई, use of radioisotopes by use of gamma rays, by use of pharmacoscintigraphy, use of electronic paramagnetic resonance and EPR oximetry. These, by use of these type of rays and other techniques, we can go for in vivo methods. We can go for in vivo studies. So we will be continuing this in the next lecture. Okay. Thank you for today and have a nice